Bitcoin stays below $67,000, Ether trades below $3,000. Bitcoin ETF inflows top $303 million, buoyed by Fidelity and GBTC. Robinhood rolls out SOL staking to European markets. Millennium Management discloses $2 billion in Bitcoin ETF holdings. Swiss leaders plan to enforce global crypto reporting framework. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets trading higher as softer than expected US inflation data jolted digital assets from their stupor. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, traded above the $66,000 crucial mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
Well, IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 4.6% at 81,700 points. Interestingly, the rally occurred in April. US consumer price index figures edged lower from March, coupled with a slightly sluggish retail sales report. The data came as a relief for investors fearing that re-accelerating inflation and a red-hot economy might force the Federal Reserve to walk back its dovish pivot and even consider interest rate hikes. Meanwhile, the Robinhood stock trading platform witnessed $5 billion in equities trading volume in a single day, one of the largest trading volumes in the past 12 months. The most recently monthly metrics from Robinhood show $84.7 billion in equity trading volume for the entire month of March, averaging out to $2.7 billion a day. Furthermore, USDC stablecoin issuer Circle is set to relocate its legal base from Ireland to the United States in preparation for an anticipated IPO. The move aligns with Circle's goals for becoming a publicly traded entity as it aims to streamline operations and regulatory compliance efforts. The company has filed court paperwork to facilitate the move, and experts speculate that tax considerations and regulatory frameworks may have influenced the decision. The global crypto market cap was at $2.39 trillion mark, increasing 5% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 42% to $99 billion. Moreover, since the start of April, more than 1 million new tokens have been created, with over 370,000 new tokens minted on Ethereum network and over 640,000 new tokens, mostly meme coins, launching on Solana. CoinGecko, a crypto analytics tool, now includes a meme coin category with over 600 tokens valued at $52.7 billion, over half of Tether's USDT. Going forward, BitGet, a crypto exchange, is set to create its own blockchain ecosystem, following the footsteps of Binance, OKX, and KuCoin. The BitGet on-chain layer will integrate native dApps into the BitGet wallet, accelerating its development. The exchange also has a native token, BWB, similar to Trust Wallet token, which can offset transaction fees. Moving on, Revolut Business has listed Floki, simplifying the crypto purchase process for businesses throughout Europe. Nubank, which has a presence in over 150 countries and a customer base of over 40 million, has positioned itself as Europe's premier online bank. US stock futures rose after a lighter than expected inflation reading propelled the major averages to record highs. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.1%. S&P 500 futures traded flat, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.2%. Bitcoin was trading at $66,160, up by 5.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 3%, trading at $3,000. BNB was up by 2% to trade at $581. Next on the list, we have Solana Sol. It was up 12% and was trading at $162. If we talk about Cardano's ADA token, it was up by 4.6% to trade at $0.45. Next on the list, Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $34.8, higher by 5%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 3.3% to trade at $0.68. Well, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 3% at $0.15, and Shiba Inu was trading up by 5.3%. If we talk about Ripple's XRP token, it traded at $0.51, up by 3%, whereas Polkadot was up by 3.8% to trade at $6.9.
Thank you, Vishaka, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now, back to the headlines. US spot Bitcoin ETF inflows hit a 2-week high of $303 million as the price of Bitcoin surged beyond $66,000. As per data from Farsight Investors, all the US spot Bitcoin ETFs barring BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust saw inflows on May 15th, with IBIT recording zero inflows or outflows for a third straight day. Fidelity's FBTC led the charge with inflows of $131.3 million, while Grayscale's GBTC saw its first day of inflows in a week, drawing in $27 million. The ETF inflows came as Bitcoin's price jumped following a Wednesday report from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics showing that inflation had eased slightly in April. Trading platform Robinhood is targeting European users to expand its crypto services as legal challenges loom in the United States. On May 15th, the company announced its first crypto staking product exclusively for European customers. According to an announcement, Robinhood customers can now stake Solana and receive a 5% yield through the app. Competitors offering SOL staking, including Kraken and Binance, advertise yields of up to 5% and 8% respectively. Stakers receive passive rewards from their holdings in exchange for supporting the network. When staking, users lock up their tokens to validate transactions and secure the network operations. Rewards from staking can change over time due to several factors such as the network inflation, the amount of SOL staked, validators' commission rates, and market conditions. International hedge fund Millennium Management has revealed it holds nearly $2 billion in spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds as of the first quarter of 2024. Millennium held a total of $1.94 billion across 5 spot Bitcoin ETFs as of March 31st, according to its 13F filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The hedge fund diversified its holdings of spot Bitcoin ETF products across the ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, and the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock's Bitcoin fund is Millennium's largest allocation with over $844 million invested. Fidelity's fund came in a close second with just over $806 million worth of shares held by the hedge fund. Describing Millennium as the king of Bitcoin ETF holders, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas noted the firm held 200 times the exposure of the average new ETF holders in the top 500. The highest authority in Switzerland issued a public consultation for its plan to adopt global standards for crypto tax reporting to ensure equal treatment as traditional assets. The Federal Council, a group of 7 members that collectively head the Swiss government, intends to implement the crypto asset reporting framework to improve tax transparency. On May 15, the Federal Council launched a consultation paper to gauge public sentiment around joining the automatic exchange of information, a cooperation between international tax administrations to fight tax evasion. Switzerland's extension into the AEOI is currently slated for Jan 1, 2026. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development established AEOI and other initiatives for the group of 20 nations, which were later extended to include other nations. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has seen a significant increase in value due to positive market sentiment, favorable CPI inflation data, and ongoing cryptocurrency sector advancements. Currently trading at $3,004, Ethereum's market capitalization has risen to $357 billion. Key developments include Coinbase's adoption of Ethereum as the primary network for on-chain products and services, and the pending approval of an Ethereum spot ETF by BlackRock. Ethereum's Layer 2 network has grown exponentially, resulting in lower transaction costs and improved scalability, making it a viable platform for various applications. Next on the list, we have Circle. USDC, the issuer of stable coins, is planning to reallocate its legal base from Ireland to US before its anticipated IPO. This move aligns with Circle's goal of becoming a publicly traded entity, aiming to streamline operations and regulatory compliance. The company has filed court paperwork to facilitate the move, with experts suggesting tax considerations and regulatory frameworks that may have influenced the decision. With a market capitalization of $33 billion, USDC competes closely with Ether's USDT. Goldman Sachs, Fidelity, and BlackRock are among the industry heavyweights supporting Circle's strategic initiatives. The IPO applications has been before the SEC since January 11th. Next on the list, we have Polkadot. The Founder Institute has partnered with Polkadot ecosystem to launch the first Web 3.0 cohort in its core program. The program aims to improve Web 3.0 technology education and provide startup acceleration programs for founders. The first cohort will focus on Polkadot technology, enhancing its adoption and encouraging developer teams to utilize the ecosystem. Starting May 28, 2024, pioneer teams will gain direct access to industry experts. The program is ideal for Web3 builders, developers, and founders, with Polkadot signing a memorandum of understanding with Founder Institute. Next on the list, we have Floki Inu. Revolt Business has listed Floki Inu, simplifying the cryptocurrency purchase process for businesses throughout Europe. Neobank, which has a presence in over 150 countries and a customer base of over 40 million, has positioned itself as Europe's premier online bank. The listing aims to make it easier for businesses to buy Floki, putting the meme coin on the cusp of a fresh adoption curve. The Floki team believes that Revolt's presence in over 150 countries and customer base of over 40 million could drive this demand vision. Next on the list, we have Binance BNB Coin. Binance's BNB coin has experienced a 3% price surge following its announcement to improve market liquidity and trading experience. The update aims to refine the precision of price changes, allowing for more granular trading activities. The changes are scheduled to be implemented on May 23rd between 5 to 7 UTC. API users will need to adjust to new tick size, while orders placed before the update will retain their original tick size. As of today, BNB's live price is $582 with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.24 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3hostTV.io or scan the QR code.